Understanding the phrase, Savior. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to uncover the meaning and usage of the term Savior. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in books, or stumbled upon it in everyday conversations, this is the video that will clear things up for you. Savior is a noun that derives from the verb save. Essentially, a savior is someone who rescues or saves another from danger, harm, or difficulty. In many cultures and religions, a savior might also refer to a person who is believed to save people from the consequences of their sins. For example, Superman is often seen as the savior of Metropolis because he saves the city from various threats. In Christianity, Jesus Christ is considered the savior of mankind. 1. Religious context. As previously mentioned, in many religions, a savior is someone who saves or is believed to save people from the consequences of sin or evil. It's a figure that provides redemption and salvation. 2. Everyday context. Outside of religious settings, the word can be used more loosely to describe someone who provides help or relief in a difficult situation. For example, 3. The relief funds were a savior for those affected by the floods. 4. When I forgot my presentation at home, Jane was my savior and lent me her laptop. 5. In pop culture, in movies, books, or TV shows, the hero or the main character that comes to the rescue is often referred to as the savior. For instance, 6. The villagers saw the knight as their savior against the dragon. To master the use of the term, savior, let's look at some example sentences. 1. The lifeguard was the savior for many swimmers this summer. 2. After hours of troubleshooting, the IT technician became our savior when he finally fixed the server. 3. Many people turn to their faith, looking for a savior in tough times. By integrating savior into your vocabulary, you can add depth and variety to your expressions, both in written and spoken English. And there we have it. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of the phrase, savior, and its varied uses across different contexts. Remember, English is filled with rich phrases and terms, and the key is to keep exploring and practicing. Until our next video, keep learning and expanding your horizons.